December is all about harmony. You'll feel pulled between making choices, and savoring the moments. So the vibe is actually nudging you to weigh options with grace, then move forward in a measured, elegant way. In regards to your love and relationships, while comfort and connection deepen through small, thoughtful gestures, a shared activity that pleases both of you, a dinner at home, a walk, or a creative project, it strengthens the trust and the warmth. If you're single, your charm is high and your taste for beauty is so obvious. You are attractive in a low pressure, authentic way. Put yourself in social settings. When I say low pressure, it means just be your natural self. Be comfortable in whatever you wear or whatever you say. And feel light and true to your own energies. Meaningful sparks will appear when you're being genuinely you.